So now we're going to talk about what is the development environment that we're going to use. And I did some searching and I decided to finally go for Cloud9. So Cloud9 is basically a web development environment. Think about it as your server in the cloud. You can edit code in it. You can start databases, and it works based on a technology I really like, which is Docker. So I think it's a great way for us to learn coding without having to install things and installing Python. And if you've seen some of the courses I have, I always go into like how to set up the different environments and the databases and all that. But I found that students, because they were just like starting to learn, it was kind of like an additional hassle for them to learn how to set up, Windows Python or Mac Python, and then the databases and all that. So I've decided to start using Cloud9 as the development environment for all my courses. And it's going to be good because we're going to be able to basically install and be able to code and work on this platform without having to install anything on our computers. And it doesn't matter what operating system you have, or if it's Windows or Mac. You basically will have a Linux machine running on the cloud, and you can edit and work on your application wherever you are. The good thing is that their pricing model, they have a free tier here, as you can see, and you can basically sign up, just enter your username and password, and it has some pretty cool features like collaborative coding. So for example, you can code with another friend of yours or another student, and we can install databases and set up frameworks without any problem. So I think it's going to be a good thing for us to use, and we're going to go over it a little bit as we start doing this course.